Hello and welcome to the channel FactsVilli. On this video I am going to describe 7 ways to make money online using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text-based questions. It has become increasingly popular in recent years, and there are many ways that you can use it to make money online. In this video, we'll explore 7 different ways that you can use ChatGPT to earn money from home. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time online business, there's something for everyone in this video. So, let's get started. Answer questions for money. One of the easiest ways to make money online using ChatGPT is by answering questions for money. There are many websites and platforms that pay people to answer questions, and ChatGPT is a great tool to use for this. Some popular websites that pay people to answer questions include JustAnswer, LivePerson, and Maven. These websites allow people to ask questions on a variety of topics and get answers from experts in those fields. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an account on one of these websites and create a profile that showcases your expertise. Then, when someone asks a question in your area of expertise, you can use ChatGPT to generate a high-quality response that answers their question and provides value. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the website and the complexity of the question, but some people make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month answering questions online. Create content for websites. Another way to make money online using ChatGPT is by creating content for websites. Many websites need high-quality content to attract and engage their audience, and ChatGPT can help you create this content quickly and easily. Some popular types of content you can create using ChatGPT include blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. To get started, you'll need to find websites that are looking for content creators and pitch your services to them. You can showcase your skills by creating a portfolio of content that you've created using ChatGPT, and provide examples of how this content has helped other websites succeed. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the type and amount of content you create, but some content creators make thousands of dollars per month by creating content for websites. Translate documents. If you're bilingual, you can also use ChatGPT to translate documents and earn money online. Many businesses and organizations need documents translated into multiple languages, and ChatGPT can help you do this quickly and accurately. To get started, you'll need to find websites that are looking for translators and pitch your services to them. You can showcase your skills by translating sample documents and providing testimonials from satisfied clients. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the length and complexity of the documents you translate, but some translators make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month by translating documents online. Create ebooks. Another way to make money online using ChatGPT is by creating ebooks. Ebooks are a popular form of digital content that people can read on their computers, tablets, or phones, and they can be a great source of passive income. To create an ebook using ChatGPT, you'll need to come up with a topic and outline for your book, then use ChatGPT to generate the content. You can then format the content into an ebook and sell it online through websites like Amazon or Barnes & Noble. The amount of money you can earn from selling ebooks varies depending on the price of the book and the number of copies you sell, but some authors make thousands of dollars per month from ebook sales. Create online courses. Another way to make money online using ChatGPT is by creating online courses. Online courses are a popular form of digital content that people can use to learn new skills or improve their existing ones. To create an online course using ChatGPT, you'll need to come up with a topic and outline for your course, then use ChatGPT to generate the content for each lesson. You can then package the content into a course and sell it online through websites like Udemy or Teachable. The amount of money you can earn from selling online courses varies depending on the price of the course and the number of students you enroll, but some course creators make thousands of dollars per month from course sales. Create social media content. Another way to make money online using ChatGPT is by creating social media content. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses and organizations to connect with their audience, and many of them need help creating high-quality content. To create social media content using ChatGPT, you'll need to come up with ideas for posts and captions, then use ChatGPT to generate the content. You can then sell your services to businesses and organizations looking for help with their social media content. The amount of money you can earn from creating social media content varies depending on the number of clients you have and the complexity of the content, but some social media content creators make thousands of dollars per month from their services. Create video content. Finally, you can also use ChatGPT to create video content and earn money online. Video content is a popular form of digital content that people consume on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok. To create video content using ChatGPT, you need to come up with ideas for videos and scripts, then use ChatGPT to generate the content. You can then record and edit the videos and upload them to platforms like YouTube. The amount of money you can earn from creating video content varies depending on the number of views and subscribers you have, but some YouTubers make thousands of dollars per month from their videos. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online using ChatGPT. Whether you're answering questions for money, creating content for websites, translating documents, creating ebooks, creating online courses, creating social media content, or creating video content, there's a way for you to monetize your skills and expertise. Of course, the amount of money you can earn from each of these methods depends on a variety of factors, including your experience, the quality of your work, and the demand for your services. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, there's no reason why you can't earn a significant income from working online using ChatGPT. So, if you're looking for a way to make money online, consider using ChatGPT to monetize your skills and expertise. Who knows, you might just find your next online business opportunity. Thank you for watching. We hope that this video has given you some ideas on how to make money online using ChatGPT. If you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel, FactsVilli. We regularly post videos on a variety of topics, including online business, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss an update and you'll be among the first to know about our latest videos. Plus, it helps us grow our community, and we're always looking to connect with like-minded people who are interested in building their online income streams. So, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our community of online entrepreneurs. And as always, thank you for watching.